Hey everyone! In this demo we're going to show you how easy it is to plan a trip using Cinesis. We start off by signing into our Google account and selecting a carrier. Make sure that carrier has added you as a dispatcher. Let's say we are going from Nashville and we don't want to set a destination to be most flexible. Then we can enable backhaul search to get the most practical results for us. As you can see, you can choose between a number of different truck types. We choose a van, and you can set the weight, length, and the date. We can also set the minimum and maximum distance. Let's say we want to go at least 800 miles, and we start by searching for loads. The results will show up, and you can see here we have found 127 load pairs from there and back, outbound and return. You can see where we found those loads. You can save the pair here if you click, but you can also search for the list and see if you find a better match. Saved loads will appear under the Saved Load tab, and there you can also assign the load to your designated driver.